Hey everybody, today we're going to try out these Duratrax Bandito street tires. They're belted, so that's good. They won't balloon up real big. But one thing that I keep getting questions on and comments in every tire video that I do that's a street tire is, does it make it faster? Does it go faster on street tires? And I'm like, I don't know. So I think we're going to try that out today. We're going to see if it's faster on a street tire than an all-terrain tire. Now you're thinking these are about the same size, so if the diameter doesn't change, it should stay the same. But then I was thinking, well, maybe there's less wheel slippage because you got better grip and you get another mile an hour out of it. Maybe not. But we're going to answer all those questions today because we're going to do a speed run on 3S on the Rustler 4x4 VXL with the stock tires, and then we're going to run it on 3S on these Bandito street tires. So let's go.
Let's do it.
3S run on stock tires. .41, that's a pretty good run. Alright, our second 3S run with stock tires. .41, so it's safe to say top speed is 41 miles an hour right here. So we'll throw the street tires on and see how she does. Okay, let's do a balloon test on these. Now they are belted, so they shouldn't balloon. No ballooning. That's awesome. Alright, run on 3S with street tires. .41. Alright, so we had the same speed on street tires the first time. Let's give it one more shot and see if it's the same. .40. There we go. So it's about the same no matter what you're running. Okay, so that answers our question. As long as the diameter is the same, it's going to go the same speed, or right there at the same speed. So let's finish testing these Banditos and see what we think about them. You can do that again if I wanted to. Okay, so street tires might not make your car faster, maybe make it look faster, but it does give it a lot more grip, a lot more traction on the asphalt. I really like how when I put these street tires on my Rustler VXL, that it really, you could tell it wanted to do wheelies a lot easier. It seemed like it handled a lot more, it turned a little bit quicker. I really like these Bandito tires. They're probably my favorite street tire that I've tried so far. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day.